back again to attempt my second round for the 5 Big Macs and 1 large fry. My previous time was 32 minutes and 6 seconds to get everything down. So the goal is to beat that time. Hopefully I can get somewhere around the under 20-minute range, but I think the most realistic goal would be to at least beat my previous time. So I have the large fry here, and I'm just going to pour them on this plate and get rid of the box. And then I have some ketchup here. I have 2 lemonades and a little glass there, and then the 5 Big Macs are lined here. And I'm just gonna listen to some music and start the timer now. Coming up, you'll see that the timer on my camera made the recording stop. So I lost some seconds because I had to get up and press the record button again. So you will notice a skip in the time, a bit around 22 minutes or so.
Then you have magic. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. 2 walk like 2 out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. 2 walk like 2 out the door. Then you have magic.
Okay guys, so 28:21 isn't too bad. I took my last bite at 28:21 and then stopped the time. So it's a small improvement, but I hope to get even better. I noticed my first 2 burgers, I ate a lot faster than I did around the first round. The first round, I think it took me close to 5 minutes to eat 1 Big Mac, and this time it seemed like it took 2 minutes and 30 seconds or something. So definitely an improvement there. I just have to work on my speed towards the last 2 Big Macs and making sure I just chew faster. Because as you get a little fuller, you start to slow down. But that like seems to really slow me down to where it doesn't make a huge difference in time, even though I did eat a lot faster in the beginning. So I'm gonna work on that, and then hopefully for the last and final attempt I can bring it all together and have a good time. But I am happy about this time because most restaurant challenges are, you know, 30 minutes. Under 30 minutes, you have to win something. So that really is the ultimate goal, is just to be able to eat food in fast in under 30 minutes so that I can maybe win some cool prizes and stuff at restaurants. And I'll be recording that as well and taking you guys along with me. But thank you guys so much for watching. And I will have the next speed eating video up soon. That one will be the reattempt of the Domino's pizza. So thank you guys so much for watching and have a good day.